have cute mothers over here, and you really don't look like mothers. You look like teenagers. And may I know how many grandpas and grandmas were excited for this day? I wanna know how many grandpas and grandmas were like, oh, ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಬರ್ತಿದೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಡಾನ್ಸ್ ಆಡ್ತೆ. ಐ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಸಿ ಎಸ್. ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಜೊತೆ ತಾತ ಅಜ್ಜಿ ಇದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರನ್ನು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂತಾರಲ್ಲ, ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾದ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು, ನಮ್ಮ ರೋಸ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್ನ ರಂಗೇರ್ಸಕ್ಕೆ ಬರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಆಸ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ನೋ, ವಿ ಆರ್ ಹಿಯರ್ ಟು ಸೆಲೆಬ್ರೇಟ್ ಸಂಭ್ರಮೋತ್ಸವ 2024-25. With that, ladies and gentlemen, let me welcome our chief guest and guests. Now, I would like to call Julian Bharat, CEO, founder of Rosemount International Preschool. I would request everyone to please give a big round of applause to our chief guest. We have Annie John Varghese, Regional Academic Manager, Rosemount International Preschool. I request the chief guest and guest to please join us on the stage. And we have S. Dharmendra sir, Regional Manager. We have Mr. Ravikant, Chief Administrative Officer, Rosemount International Preschool. I request all of you over here to please give a big round of applause to all the dignitaries over here. We are here because of these dignitaries who started Rosemount International Preschool in our area, that is Gotigere. And I request our Rosemount family to please felicitate them with the bouquet. ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್, ನಮ್ಮ ಭಾರತೀಯ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಯಾವುದೇ ಒಂದು ನಾವು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿಲ್ ಗೋ ವಿತ್ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್. ವಿತ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್ ನೌ ವಿ ಆರ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿಸ್ ಈವೆಂಟ್ ಬೈ ಲೈಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಲ್ಯಾಂಪ್, ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ ಆರ್ ಗೆಸ್ಟ್ ಟು ಪ್ಲೀಸ್ ಜಾಯಿನ್ ಫಾರ್ ದ್ಯಾಟ್. ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಐ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ರಿಕ್ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಆರ್ trustees Lakshmi ma'am and Mamta ma'am to please join with them. I request everyone to please give a big round of applause. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ.
शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शुभं कुरुत्वं कल्याणम् आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः. शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते. दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म. दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः. दीपज्योतिः परब्रह्म. दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः.
Thanks to all our dignitaries. I request everyone to please be welcome all of our guests. I request Lakshmi ma'am to please join me on the stage.
Yes, good evening. On behalf of Rosemount International Preschool Gotigere, I am honored to extend a warm and heartful welcome to all our distinguished guests, parents, our school management and faculty members, and most importantly, our lovely little superstars who have gathered here to celebrate our annual day Sambramotsav 2024-25. This day marks not just the accumulation of the year's hard work but also a celebration of the talent, creativity and enthusiasm that our institution proudly nurtures. It's a day when we come together as one community united by our shared experiences to reflect on the achievements of the past year and look forward to even greater accomplishments in the future. Today's event is a tribute to every individual who has contributed to the success of our institution, from the hardworking teachers, the supporting staffs, the parents, and our lovely little superstars whose passion and dedication shine through in everything they do. As we prepare to witness some incredible performances, let us remember that this is not any competition. This is a moment to appreciate the efforts and participation, and hence enjoy the night without any judgmental. So sit back, relax, and enjoy the show. Let's make this annual day a memorable one. Thank you once again and warm welcome to you all.
One thing, this is no competition. All the kids over here are enjoying their day. Yes, the parents over here to please support that. And as we all know, we are here celebrating the annual day for our preschool kids. And the kids might shock us or even surprise us. They might come over here, stand still with no dancing. They might be shocked seeing so many lights, so many people. And some kids might be over enthusiastic, over energetic, playing on their own, enjoying their moves. And we might also see some kids crying, but I want all the parents to know that this is their first stage. They are enjoying their stage. Well, they might surprise us or they might shock us. The parents over here always keep on constantly encourage our kids. Are you all with me, parents? Super. Well, with that, moving on with our next speech, we have our chief guest, Julian Bharat sir, who is the CEO, founder of Rosemount International School. I request sir to please come upon the stage and have few words for all our parents over here.
Good evening. Good evening. No energy. Absolutely no energy. You all have come here to witness your children performing? Really? I don't think so. Good evening. Something is coming. Not much. I have half an hour speech. Are you ready? No. I prepared speech and came for half an hour. Interested? Not interested? Okay. I want you all to have a good energy. Okay. So when the children are performing, as our friend was saying, okay, so you will see different kind of people. But okay, let me come back to the point. Okay, so first of all, I would like to thank the management of Rosemount International Preschool, Gotigere. Give them a big round of applause for the team and all the teachers who have set a wonderful stage. I think this is one of the first time I'm attending an annual day like this in an open air. I was thinking some reception is going on. I went straight away to my school. But end of the day, it was here. Fantastically organized. I would like to thank all the organizers here who's doing a fantastic job. I think you deserve a big round of applause. Thank you. And all the people who have been standing behind to get this done. Okay? And all the teachers who might have put all their efforts to train your kids to perform here. As my friend was saying, even if they, okay, how many parents are interested to come on the stage and perform? Interested? See, very few. They want to see only the, I think they have come here for entertainment. Others, they'll not come. Why? Standing also is a performance. Crying also is a performance. Simply standing, they'll be standing like this and watching. Can you all do? Can you all do that? Yeah? No. So, my request is, whatever they do is a performance. Just treat them. Give them big round of applause. Okay. Whenever they're performing, make sure that you will entertain them. Don't show hands and all that. Otherwise, they'll not perform. They'll come running, mommy, daddy, and all. So don't do that. Don't show, don't come take photographs. You are disturbing them and spoiling their performance. The only person who can spoil the performance is you. Don't disturb them. Don't show hand. Let them perform what they want to do. Let them do. I speak the same language in every annual day. But still, parents come that corner, this corner. Finally, they come to my chair also and they sit and they start enjoying. Which is okay. Okay, I'm okay with that. But please don't disturb them. That's all I'm trying to say. Enjoy your performance. Enjoy the children performance. Okay, and give them the boost and energy that they will do well. Okay, coming back to Rosemount. As I said, we are there only because of your support. First credit goes to all the parents who stood with us to make this a successful center and a successful brand. A big round of applause for you all only. No energy. You also don't want credit. Come on, big round of applause. Come on, go ahead, go ahead. Superb. Today, Rosemount is standing. Initially, we started in the year 2017. Okay, we launched our first centers. The first 2 years, we had around 20 plus centers. By God's grace, we hit the pandemic, everything. We were able to survive Today we are close to 85 to 90 centers across India. That credit goes to you. And sooner or later, maybe by next year, we are also looking at starting a grade 1 and grade 2 also. So thank you parents for standing with us and helping us to grow this brand. It's only because of your people's support we are here. My speech is over, don't worry. I know you all are waiting to see our children performance. Thank you once again, and stay calm and be motivated, have that energy. After every performance, please clap, nothing goes. As I think my friend was asking, how many grandfathers and grandmothers here? Can you please stand? Can you please stand? All grandmothers, grandfathers. I think they deserve a big round of applause. They're able to see the grandchildren performance. I think maybe for us, we were not able to see, but today they are witnessing this, a beautiful event. Thank you, ma'am, and all of you for coming. Please be seated. Thank you once again. My speech is over. Okay, enjoy yourself. Thank you.
This days and how the parents have been a major part in our Rosemount, and thank you for all the informations given to our parents. Well, next I request Annie John Varghese, our Regional Academic Manager of Rosemount International Preschool, to please come upon and say a few words for our gathering.
A very hearty welcome, good evening to all the beautiful smiling parents out here. It's very nice to see so many of you blushing and waiting for your children to come on stage. I thank our branch at Gotigeri for inviting us as a team, and we will be witnessing this great event. So as Julian sir and as my friend said, it is very important that we don't make too much of noise by rushing forward. That is why we have made a podium that is higher and you can see very clearly. So please be there encouraging your child, your grandchild. You see, I didn't have the privilege, or my parents didn't have the privilege to, witness such an event. You people are very lucky, new gen parents, and your beta kids are going to come on the stage now. So be very prepared and be happily waiting for them. As a regional head for academics, my foremost priority, I will not make a big speech and spoil the evening, but a few points that I would like to bring up here is that your child's well-being is very important for us. Toddlers, as you know, are very, very curious at this point of time. Their age itself is very curious and they are with a lot of potential. At this age, their emotional and social growth is as important as their cognitive growth as well. So every child has a story, and once again, sorry to make you wait. Yes, every child has a story and it begins with the school that cares. I'm so happy and I'm so proud to say that we are pioneers when it comes to caring your little treasures with us. My role is to ensure that the educators are equipped to provide nurturing environment where every child feels safe and valued. We don't nurture kids here where we judge them and we compare to one another. We are giving them a safe and a very healthy environment at Rosemount Preschool. By enhancing social emotional learning, which is technically known as SEL, we aim to help your child build confidence and empathy. Thus, the skills that they develop here would be a long-running foundation for their further life. Whatever, see, it is very important. Now they say more than education, their skills are important. How confident your child is. So that is what we are trying to nurture here at Rosemount. Together as partners in your child's growth, we create a supportive and a joyful learning journey for them as long as they are with us. Thank you so much once again. We are so happy that you have partnered your treasure with us. Thank you so much, and let us all together enjoy this event. Thank you so much.
That yes, the kids over here are not your kids, they are our kids. We're gonna make sure that there will be no competition. All the kids will be treated same, and yes, they are not just the kids for us, they are the treasures for us. Thank you all for making your time and enjoying this day with our cute little tiny tots. With that, I request Lakshmi ji and Mamta ji ma'am, our trustees, to please felicitate our guests. Up next, we have Annie John Varghese, Regional Academic Manager, S. Dharmendra Preschool. I request all the parents to please give a big round of applause. Chief Administrative Officer, Rosemount International Preschool. Won't be given to the parents, so I request the parents to sit back, enjoy till the end, and you can collect the kids after the performance, after the whole event near the green room. With that, moving on, we will start this event by a Ganesh Vandana performance. Before that, we have the next performance, that is fancy dress ramp walk competition by our kids and the parents. I request the parents and the kids to please come near the green room. Before we start with our first performance, I want the ramp walk parents to please come near the green room. With that, moving on, ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting the first performance for this evening by Chandrika K for a Ganesh Vandana. Can you all give a big round of applause to our Chandrika? ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನಾನೇನು ಕೇಳ್ತಿಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ, ನಿಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೋಸ್ಕರನೇ. I want the parents to come fast. Bigger, 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 bigger. 2 couples. Hey, super. Auntie, ಏನ್ ಸಕ್ಕದಾಗಿ ಕಾಣಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೀರಾ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು. ನಮ್ಮ ಮುದ್ದಾದ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ನೋಡೋಣ, ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಸ್ಯಾರಿ ಹಾಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಖುಷಿಯಾಗಿ ಬರೋದೆ ನಮಗೊಂದು ಹಬ್ಬದ ಥರ ಇದು. ಸೊ ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ 1 more couple. ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ 1 couple. ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ ಬೇಗ. I'll give you a minute time. 1 ನಿಮಿಷಗಳ ಕಾಲ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. You guys have to go take pictures from anyone. Anybody it might be, but you'll be getting only 1 minute of time. ಬೇಗ ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೊಗೊಂಡು ಬರ್ತೀರಾ, they'll be the winners. ಓಕೆ, ಯಾರ್ದಾದ್ರೂ 1 ನಿಮಿಷ ಟೈಮ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. ಯಾರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಫೋಟೋ ತೊಗೊಂಡ್ಬರ್ತೀರಾ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಗಿಫ್ಟ್ ಸಿಗುತ್ತೆ. We have very generous family over here. They won't hit you, don't worry. We have wonderful guests over here. You can take some photos with them, but only 1 photo. No selfie. You have to take her photo. She'll be posing. You have to take the photo. The husband should take the photo. The wife will be posing. Ready? 1, start. ಸರ್, ನೀ ಫೋಟೋ ತಗೊಬೇಕು, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಿಂತ್ಕೊಂತಾರೆ. ಸರ್, ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ಇರಬೇಕು, ಅದು ಫೋಟೋ ಮಾತ್ರ ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡೋದು. We have 35 seconds more. 30 seconds more. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Stop. I want all of you to come. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 photos. Okay. 1, same person. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 photos. 1, ಇದಿಲ್ಲ, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 photos. And then we have 1, 2, ಇದು ಸೆಲ್ಫಿ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 15 photos. Give a big round of applause to these couples.
गणनायकाय गणदैवताय गणाध्यक्षाय धीमहि गुणशरीराय गुणमण्डिताय गुणेशानाय धीमहि गुणातीताय गुणाधीशाय गुणप्रविष्टाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय श्रीगणेशाय धीमहि एकदन्ताय वक्रतुण्डाय गौरीतनयाय धीमहि गजेशानाय भालचन्द्राय
ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊಂತೀನಿ. Have an amazing and exclusive fashion walk, ramp walk by all our parents, all our beautiful mothers and handsome fathers of Rosemount International Preschool Kids. So parents, are you ready to watch this performance? With that, now we are presenting the heroes, the heroines with these little superstars on the stage. Can we have the music, please?
to the beat, come on. Give it to me, Jalva. Give it to me, Jalva. Gorgeous with attitude and never latitude. Miss Hot Booty, come on baby, do your duty work. जिस्मों का है ये जलवा, किस्मों का है ये जलवा, शोहरत भी दे ये जलवा, मकसद भी दे ये जलवा. Tell 'em like it is. I can't hear. दिलकश लगे ये जलवा, मैं कश लगे ये जलवा, नशा ही नशा ये जलवा, मजा ही मजा, नशा ही नशा.
So as you can see, we have our super cute little stars over here. A tiny torch with their tiny footsteps and enjoying this day.
ये जला दे दिलों में किन
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ವಾಲ್ಯೂಮ್ ರೈಸ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸರ್.
ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. She got the styling in her. Not even smiling in her. She got the styling in her.
Come along, feel the rhythm is in the air. Shake it alone, yeah. Keep swinging in style. Move by my side as the music is soaring. Going shouting and roaring,
Tell me, can we
dancing all night.
है अदा का नजराना, हर जुबा को अफसाना, हर किसी पे छा जाना, हाँ है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा. Let me see your hands up. That's right. Hit me with it. इसने सबको भरमाया है अजब इसकी माया, कोई भी बच ना पाया. हाँ ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, आसमां भी दिखलाया, ज़मीं पे भी ले आया, क्या ना इसने कर पाया. हाँ ये जलवा, हाँ ये जलवा, आग सी रवानियां. I know a lot of y'all wouldn't expect it. Yo, I'm the hottest girl around. ये जलाते हैं दिलों में चिंगारियां. ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है ये जलवा, ये जलवा, ये जलवा, फैशन का है.
How was the ramp walk? And I have to definitely say, as I said earlier, the mothers especially, nan magugi color batte, ee color hairband, ee color earrings, the same nail polish, the way they take care of their kids, like, oh my god, this is her day. They are so much excited, like it's their own school day, it's their own dance. What stage, what they are enjoying this. So a very big round of applause to all the mothers over here. And moving on, we have another performance with a divine touch. Now, ladies and gentlemen, for a dance performance for the song Kantara.
शिवसम्भूत भुवि संजात ನಂಬಿದವಗಿಂಬು ಕೊಡುವವನೀತ ಸಾವಿರ ದೈವದ ಮನ ಸಂಪ್ರೀತ ಬೇಡುತ್ತನೆಂದೆವು ಆರಾಧಿಸುತ್ತ
Song Bibi Shark Doo Parents, come on. If you are energetic, if you want to see this performance, make some noise.
Shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark do 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 baby shark. Buy it, use it, break it, fix it, crash it, change it, melt it, grade it, chart it, point it, zoom it, press it, snap it, work it, quick erase it, write it, get it, paste it, save it, load it, write it, cut it, save it, load it, like it, drop it, zip it, unzip it, look it, feel it, code it, find it, look it, feel it, code it, look it, check it, feel it, code it, find it, look it, feel it,
Come on, parents, raise your both
find it,
hands.
code it, find it, look it, feel it, code it, look it,
Clap,
find it,
clap,
find it,
clap, clap,
Lock it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it,
clap,
feel it,
clap.
look it, suck it, feel it, code it, find it, feel it, code it, look it, scroll it, find it, code it, find it, feel it, code it, look it, suck it, find it, code it, find it.
तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ, कहना चाहूँ भी तो तुमसे क्या कहूँ। किसी ज़बान में भी वो लफ्ज़ ही नहीं कि जिनमें तुम हो क्या तुम्हें बता सकूँ।
Come on, audience, make some noise.
अगर कहूँ तुम सा हंसी कायनात में नहीं है कहीं, तारीफ ये भी तो सच है कुछ भी नहीं। तुमको पाया है तो जैसे खोया हूँ।
I want all of you to raise your both hands and wave with them. Raise your both hands. All the audience over there. Raise your both hands. Wave, wave, wave.
ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು. ನೂರು ಸಾರಿ ಹೇಳಿದರು ನಾ ಆಸೆ ತೀರಲ್ಲ, ಜನ್ಮ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಹಾಡಿದರು ನಾ ಪದವೇ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಲ. ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು, ಅಮ್ಮ ಅಮ್ಮ ಐ ಲವ್ ಯು.
before that, I request the teachers of the particular class to please join them. Performance, I request the respected class teachers to please join the group for a group photo. And audience, how was this performance? Super! Them for the song Bum Bum Bole. So can we have the kids on the stage? Music in 3, 2, and 1.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान ने छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हो हम जैसे देखे ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। गारे गामा पासा बम 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 बोले, बम चिक बोले और मस्ती में डोले। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। भला मछलियां भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं, ऐसे भी सोचो ना, सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए के ये बुद्धू बनाए हमें ये सारे तारे टिमटिमाए, या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे। खुल के सोचे आओ, पंख जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुन ले। टैंकर फुल, आंखें बंद तो डब्बा गुल। ओए बंद दरवाजे खोल रे, हो जा बिंदास बोल रे। मैं भी हूँ तू भी है, ओ मैं भी तू भी, हम सब मिलके बम चिक बम 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 चिक बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे। बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले, बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोल रे।
Moving on, we have the next performance by our kid called Malang Sajna. Star the stage, who gonna rock the stage, who gonna break the stage with the song called Malang Sajna. And with that, we are welcoming the KG1 kids. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our kids of Rosemount International Preschool.
दसदा नहीं मैं तलाया बड़ा दिल किते लगदा नहीं, तेरे रंग नारा मिले सितारा वे यारा, तेरे बिन मैं तो सारा वे रंग सजना। मानदा नहीं ये दिल तेरे लिए हर पल तेरी
an eye-catching performance by our mothers for a song called Bole Chudiya. So audience, are you all ready to watch the next performance? 2 weeks. The mothers took 2 weeks of time to participate over here, enjoy this day. And how were the kids excited for this particular day? She's very shy. I'll go and ask the other mother.
Super excited, ma'am, my son.
Okay. And I want to know how Rosemont has been in the lives of you and your kid, how it has been impacted on your kid's life, how he is excited, how he comes back and sees about the school.
He's very happy actually, making lots of friends. He's enjoying, learning new things every day.
Learning new things every day. Yes, that's what we are here to build for the kids. With that, ladies and gentlemen, we are presenting the queens of this evening, the mothers. Can we have the music in 3, 2, and 1?
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया ले जा
Come on, audience. Clap. 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 Clap.
बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना बोले चूड़िया बोले कंगना हाय मैं हो गई तेरी साजना तेरे बिन जियो नहीं लगदा मैं ते मर गईया ले जा सोनी ले जा दिल ले जा
Come on, audience. Make some noise.
कुर्ची मारता बेटी
Shake it, Pushpavati. Shake it, Pushpavati. Shake it, Pushpavati.
Okay, on the stage for all of you to do some jadoo, to make you all to go into the jadoo world and to hypnotize you all. So can we have the Vijay on the stage, please? Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our Vijay. near the green room. The kid is feeling a little dizzy. The parent of Arjun. The parent of Arjun to please come near the green room. ಅರ್ಜುನ್ ಅವರ ಬೇಗ ಗ್ರೀನ್ ರೂಮ್ ಹತ್ರ ಬರಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು.
Okay. Come on, say how many colors in this? How many colors? 7. Wrong answer. Backside, how many colors? 8. How come 8? No, wrong answer. 9. 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. No, wrong answer. This side, how many colors? 7. 4. No. Okay, just count 1 to 4. 1 to 5. Louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. This is our condition of Bangalore traffic. So avoid pollution. While going to office, college, we'll wear color dresses, right? While returning home, this is the condition. So avoid pollution. Thank you. I need a small one kid who's going to come. Okay, come. Hungry, you know. I used to eat tissue papers, balloons. Are you ready for it? Yes? Sure? Okay. Are you ready? What's your name? Kanishka. K for? K for Kanishka. Come, friend. Right? Kanishka, are you ready to eat tissue papers? No? Oh my God. Just blow on this. You have to blow this. Oof. Say abracadabra. Okay. Do like this. Kanishka, hold this. You have to. Just keep it off. Yeah? Nothing happened, keep it off. No? 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 Huh? Huh? Thank you. I need one boy. Come, sir. Full bodybuilding, huh? Bodybuilding, no? Hey, you have nice arms, man. Show your arms like this. Wow. Back seat. Like this. Come on, clap for him. He's doing something right. Okay, thank you. What you had for lunch? Idli. Are you vegetarian or non-vegetarian? Veg, ah? I need non-vegetarian. Okay, go back. Non-vegetarian. Who wanna come? Wow. Laddu guy, come here. ನಿಜ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು ಮಧ್ಯಾಹ್ನ ಏನು ತಿಂದೆ ಮುದ್ದೆ ತಿಂದ ದೆನ್ ವಾಟ್ ಯು ಹ್ಯಾಡ್ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ನಾನ್ ವೆಜ್ಜಾ ವೆಜ್ ತಿಂದ ಓಕೆ ಕೆನ್ ಯು ಆಲ್ ಸೇ ದಿಸ್ ಎಸ್ ವಾಟ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ಸೈಡ್ ದಿಸ್ ಬ್ಯಾಗ್ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎನ್ ಎಗ್ ರೈಟ್ ಓಕೆ Open your mouth. 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 Open your mouth. Yes, it's not teeth, mouth. Very good. Come friend. Okay. I'm going to take this egg. Open your mouth. Close it. Close it, close it, close it, close it. Okay. You have to do some exercise. As like I do. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Tap your stomachs 3 times like this. See. Hello, sir. Hello. Here. 1, 2, 3. You have to jump. Slowly, slowly. You have to do some exercise. Very good. Slowly, slowly, slowly. 1. Do 1. Do some exercise. 1, 2, and 3. Thank you all. Thank you so much. We have other session. Okay, done. Thank you.
For an incredible show. How was the show? You guys enjoyed? Yes, superb. Well, for any kind of performer, for any kind of artist, the only thing they require is your enormous encouragement by clapping them, because ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಬ್ಬರು ಬಂದು ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹತ್ರ ಏನು ಚಿನ್ನ ಕೊಡಿ ಬೆಳ್ಳಿ ಕೊಡಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಲ್ಲ. Make a big noise, they'll be happy, they'll be like I'm satisfied today, my audience were enjoying my show. So thanks to our magician over here, everybody enjoyed this wonderful show. And moving on, ladies and gentlemen, I request the parents, the mothers of the song who are performing for the song Bumro Bumro to please come near the green room. The mothers who are performing for the song Bumro Bumro to please come near the green room. And now we have our KG kids, KG children who are gonna perform for Waka Waka song. So ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our Rosemount International Preschool kids.
You're a good soldier, choosing your battle. Pick yourself up and dust yourself off and back in the saddle. You're on the front line, everyone's watching. You know it's serious, we're getting closer, this isn't over. The pressure's on, you feel it, but you got it all, believe it. When you fall, get up, oh, and if you fall, get up, Samina, mina, sangarewa, cause this is Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sangarewa, this time for Africa. Listen to your God, this is our motto. Your time to shine, don't wait in line, y vamos por todo. People are raising their expectations. Go on and feed them, this is your moment, no hesitation. Today's your day, I feel it.
Come on audience, raise your hands.
Believe it.
Clap,
Down, get up,
clap,
oh, when you
clap,
down, get up,
clap, clap, clap.
This time for Africa. Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakalewa, anawa, Samina, mina, waka, waka, Samina, mina, sakalewa. This time for Africa.
Moves. So let us all welcome our dashing mothers on the stage, please. Come on, audience, give a big round of applause to these beautiful mothers over here. Can we have the music in 3, 2, and 1? performance by all our mothers. Special VT for all the parents over here. We have some spectacular, some special, some happy moments collected throughout the year by all our kids, from the toddlers to the higher seniors of this Rosemount International Preschool. So I want everyone to watch this incredible, special and eye-catching VT. Can we play the PVT, please?
रखे हैं हमने वो दिन गुल्लक में बड़ी चवन्नी सी बचा के रखे हैं हमने वो दिन ना किसी मंजिल की फिक्र थी जिंदगी जीने की उम्र थी और दोस्तों से उधार के दिन थे वो दिन भी क्या 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 दिन थे
ನಾವು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಿ, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ? We have all the kids still in the backstage, so I want you guys to be at your highest energy. How was the meeting? ಅಪ್ಪ ಇವಾಗ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ವಿಷಯ ಬಂದ ತಕ್ಷಣ, ಅಯ್ಯೋ ನನ್ನ ಮಗು ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾ? Well, now it's time to felicitate our wonderful staffs of Rosemount. The family members, we can never see the staffs, the family members of Rosemount who are here for more than a year. I request Lakshmi ji ma'am and Trilok sir to please come up on the stage to felicitate our Rosemount family. We have Arva Chikriwala, the teaching staff. I request all the parents over here to please give a big round of applause. Up next we have KCR. These are our teaching staff of Rosemount International Preschool. ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. Up next we have Shobha from non-teaching department. Moving on, we have Varalakshmi from the helping non-teaching staff department. International Preschool. And now we have Shruti R from teaching department. ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಕೊಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ಕೊತೀನಿ. We have Beena department. We have up next we have Deepanjali from non-teaching department. And last, we have Rajesh from non-teaching department. With that, ladies and gentlemen, this is Samramotsav 2024-25. ಯಾರನ್ನ ನೋಡಿದ್ವಿ, ನಾವು ಯಾರಿಗೆಲ್ಲ ಫೆಲಿಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಐ ವಾಂಟ್ ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟು ಗಿವ್ ಅ ಬಿಗ್ ರೌಂಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಅಪ್ಲಾಸ್. ನಮ್ಮ ಮನೇಲಿ ನಾವು ಒಂದು ಮಗು ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಕಷ್ಟಪಡ್ತೀವಿ ಆ ಮಗು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಕ್ಕೆ. ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಒದ್ದಾಡ್ತಾನೆ, ಅವಳು ಅಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಬಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಷ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳನ್ನ ನಮ್ಮ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಅನ್ನೋ ಥರ ನೋಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಅಷ್ಟು ಮುದ್ದಾಗಿ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಡ್ತಾ. ಇಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಟೇಕಿಂಗ್ ಕೇರ್, ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಡಿಸಿಪ್ಲಿನ್, ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ದೆಮ್ ವಿತ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಡಾನ್ಸಿಂಗ್. ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದನ್ನು ಟೇಕ್ ಕೇರ್ ಮಾಡುವಂಥ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಸ್, ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನಾನ್ ಟೀಚಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಟಾಫ್ಸ್ ಆಫ್ ರೋಸ್ ಮೌಂಟ್ ಇಂಟರ್ನ್ಯಾಷನಲ್ ಪ್ರೀ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್. ಎವ್ರಿಬಡಿ ಗಿವ್ ಅ big round of applause to all the teachers over here, all the staffs over here. And now we are presenting a special performance by all our teachers of Rosemount International Preschool. Ladies and gentlemen, put your hands together for our teachers. And with that, can we have the music?
ಸೋತೆ ಹೋದೆ ನೀ ಮೊದಲ ಕೊನೆಯಾಸೆ ನನ್ನ ಎದೆಗೆ ಹಿಡಿಸೋ ಭಾಷೆ ಅನುರಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಕೊನೆ ಬೀದಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ನನಗೂ ನಿನಗೂ ಮನೆ ಮಾಡಿರುವೆ.
ಕುದುಕ పలక తూపదాయి మోనే బాపి మీనులే
Movete Martita, movete Martita, movete Martita, movete Martita, movete Martita. A ver, los pibes si me ayudan con esto, ¿qué dice? La Marta se mueve para, 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 se mueve para. Esta es la Marta más loca que hay. ¡Hueva! No para. Y mueve la Marta, mueva la Marta, mueva la Marta, y 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 arriba la Marta, 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 arriba la Marta.
This performance. Come on audience, ಹೇಗಿತ್ತು? ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೂ ಹೇಳ್ಕೊಟ್ಟು ಮಕ್ಕಳು ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮದರ್ big round of applause. Super well. Now it's time for the special performance, for the surprise performance, and here we are presenting the grand finale of Sambramotsav 2024-25 by our Rosemount International Preschool Gochigere. Audience, are you all ready to watch this grand finale? Come on everybody, raise your both hands. Raise your both hands. Both hands. Give a big round of applause. With that, now we are presenting the superstars for this wonderful 3, 2, and 1. Come on audience, ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಸದ್ ಕಮ್ಮಿ ಆಯ್ತು. Whistles ಅಲ್ಲಿ whistles. I need some whistles now.
ನೀನು ಬರ್ಕೂಡ್ದು, ನಾನು ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಾತು ಮಾತಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು.
ಬರಿವೋಳು 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 MTV ಸುಬ್ಬುಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿಗೆ ಬರಿವೋಳು ಬರಿವೋಳು ZTV ಮಾದಗೌಡ್ರಿಗೆ ಬರಿವೋಳು ಬರಿವೋಳು.
Come on everybody, who?
నిముడా 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 అరే కచ్చా కచ్చా छोटा छोटा నిముడా లాయిదో.
Everybody come on, make some
నిముడా 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 అరే కచ్చా కచ్చా छोटा छोटा నిముడా లాయిదో. அதுக்கு இப்போ என்னங்கற
ಸಖತ್ತಾಗವಳೆ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಖತ್ತಾಗವಳೆ, ಸುಮ್ನೆ ನಗ್ತಾಳೆ, ಕದ್ದು ನೋಡ್ತಾಳೆ, ಬಿದ್ದೆ ಬೀಳ್ತಾಳೆ. ಸಕ್ಕರೆ ನಮ್ಮ ನಾಲ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಸಖತ್ತಾಗವಳೆ. ಈ ಪ್ರಪಂಚದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಪ್ರೇಮ ಅನ್ನೋದು ಪುಸ್ತಕ ಬಂದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗೋಯ್ತು.
ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನಾಯ್ತು? ಆಮೇಲೆ ಐಶ್ವರ್ಯ
ओम जिमाम जिमाम बिंग बिंग बो टन सस्ते न से तार चिपकते छाती से ओम जिमाम जिमाम बिंग बिंग बो टन सस्ते न से तार है ढीली कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे कौन कसे.
നിൽക്കുന്നതാ എന്തൊക്കെയാ പള്ളി
ಇದು ಐಡಿಯಾ. ಇಂಥ ಬ್ಲಾಕ್ ಬಾಸ್ಟರ್ ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಫಿನಾಲೆ ಕೊಡೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಯಾರ ಕಡೆಯಿಂದ? ಇವಾಗ ನಿಮ್ನ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಮೀಮ್ ನೆನಪಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಎಲ್ಲಾರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ನೀನ್ ನೋಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ ನಿನಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಯಾರಪ್ಪ ನೋಡ್ತಾರೆ ಆ ಥರ ಎಲ್ಲಾರು ಒಬ್ರ ಮೇಲೆ ಒಬ್ರು ತೋರ್ಸ್ಕೊತಾ ಇದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಒಬ್ರಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಒಂದು ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕು. ಅಂಡ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ದ ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ ರಾಹುಲ್ ಆನ್ ದ ಸ್ಟೇಜ್? ಸಾರಿ ಸರ್, ಕೊರಿಯೋಗ್ರಾಫರ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ ಜೋರಾದ ಚಪ್ಪಾಳೆ ಬರಬೇಕಪ್ಪ. ಇಷ್ಟು ಎನರ್ಜೆಟಿಕ್ ಪರ್ಫಾರ್ಮೆನ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಸಿರೋ ನಮ್ಮ ಎಲ್ಲ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಸ್ಟೂಡೆಂಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ, ನಮ್ಮ ಟೈನಿ ಟಾಟ್ಸ್ಗೋಸ್ಕರ. ವೆಲ್, ದಟ್ಸ್ ನಾಟ್ an easy job. Thanks to all of you. And ladies and gentlemen, this was Samramotsav 2024-25. And thanks to all the family members for giving me this opportunity. I am your anchor Vidya Nagraj, your host and host for this day. Well, here we are. I want all of you to scream Rosemount on a count of 3, 2, 1, okay? I want all of you to say Rosemount. Yari, on a count of 3, 2, 1. Rosemount! Well, yes, this is an incredible family of Rosemount International Preschool, ladies and gentlemen.
अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे